let's switch back to our weather. We've got Josh here, and not only are things warming up, I did notice, at least here in downtown, quite the breeze kicking up every now and then too.
We are, and we like to call those the outflow winds of some dying rain showers there to the south. So
that sounds really scientific.
It is very scientific, but basically it means we're just going to be clouding up our skies and really not going to be seeing any benefit other than that breeze that will make those temperatures that were hovering in towards the mid-80s feel a little bit more comfortable out there as we fade into the low 80s as we approach the sunset hour. And then we hold on to the partly cloudy skies for the rest of this evening with those winds, like Liz mentioned, out the northwest at nearly 15. There you go. Some of the rain showers that are quickly fizzling out overhead, just leaving behind a swath of a bit of that cloud coverage here across parts of the Willamette Valley, the coast, and over the high terrain, the Cascades. But it's some of this activity that could fire up and gain some energy tomorrow, creating an increase in our wildfire danger. That's where red flag warnings and fire weather watches are in place from 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon all the way through the early morning hours on Saturday. So our chance for a rumbler or two is in the south central sections of our state this evening. That quickly fizzles out after sunset, just to intensify and become a little bit more widespread for much of the southern and southeastern locations of the Beaver State, working our way into Friday afternoon, thus increasing our fire weather danger dials that are relatively low right now. You'll notice as we move our way into Friday afternoon and evening, we start to see some of that become isolated, if not even scattered, as that lightning potential is expected to increase. As the number of rain-free days right here in the Rose City now adding up to a grand total of 10, as our rain deficit for the month of June grows more than a ½ inch. All as a ridge of high pressure continues to waver over the western half of the country. We'll get a bit of a cooling trend this weekend, but again, still keeping those temperatures well above the average of the mid-70s for this time of year before the summer heat starts to intensify yet again early next week. So here's how our futurecast plays out. Expecting to wake up with mostly sunny skies. The marine layer for the coastline quickly starts to fizzle out, but there you go. Just an isolated thunderstorm or two, a possibility with very little moisture, and that very little moisture poses the threat of lightning strikes starting and potentially spreading wildfires as we start the day off on Saturday with the clouds for the valley, and then we return to that sunny and warmer weather pattern as we fall to 60 degrees tonight for Juneteenth tomorrow. You can expect those temperatures to warm back up close to 80 degrees by lunchtime, sunshine in full force by the afternoon hours, approaching 90 degrees. And I do anticipate Portland to actually top off at the 90-degree mark as the rest of us hold steady into the 80s. Our 7-day forecast painting a relatively dry and sunny picture, very summer-like as we enter the first official day of summer this upcoming Sunday, also Father's Day. But look at those temperatures. 98 on Monday, maybe even approaching triple digits on Tuesday. That's what the latest model run. They've kind of been flickering back and forth between the mid and upper 90s. So we're really going to have to watch that closely to see if we have another repeat of what we experienced last week.
I did a double take seeing that 99 in the forecast.
Yeah, definitely a toasty week moving into the first full week of the official summer season.
Okay. Thank you, Josh.
Yeah.